back to my YouTube channel Elliott Wave Principle. I'm your host Shaheen. In today's video we are trying to answer a very important question: how long we have left till the gold current bullish market is over, and what is the expected price that we are expecting in the price of gold, also what we are expecting in silver as well, when silver is expected to reach the top and what expected price it's going to be. If you are even a bit of interested in commodities, and if you have seen some historic data in commodities, you'll see that commodities rise up sharply and then they fall down sharply as well, which is visible from the 11, 12 or 13 year cycles in wheat, in soybean, in cotton, etc. And I do believe, and I've seen the behavior of gold and silver occurring as well. So we have very important questions to be asked for gold and silver. In order to help those in order to answer those questions, a very important studies was made by W D Gann. I'm a student of both Elliott wave analysis and W D Gann, and using W D Gann studies, you can answer some questions that are almost impossible from only studying Elliott wave analysis. So in today's video, I'm just making a forecast. It's not an analysis. I will make an analysis of the short-term price action, but the long-term forecast that's in front of us, I'm going to make a forecast. It's not an analysis, and the forecast is that we are to expect prices close to around 10,000 US dollar before the end of 2026. I have exactly the accurate price action, but once price gets closer to the top, you can ping me privately, and then I can tell you what exactly the prices are going to be for the top of gold and silver as well. Let's say the price of gold reaches around 10,000 US dollar per ounce, and once again I'm expected this to be happening before the end of 2026. So we have another about 9 more months before for the remaining price action. So as far as silver is concerned, I'm expecting that silver is to reach somewhere around $500 approximately per ounce. This is pretty steep move for silver to happen, go from $70 go to all the way towards 500 US dollar per ounce. But once again, we have seen a larger price action for silver to go from $120 back to prices right now, which is around $68 per ounce. Once again, this is just a forecast. It's not an analysis. For analysis, we will use our Elliott wave analysis, and I can show you on a smaller time frame that what we are seeing in gold right now is a correctional pattern, which is in front of us is the ABC structure. So we can easily tell that the structure is not a impulsive wave, even though that we have seen a wider volatility in price of gold and silver as well. One important thing that is very visible and easily noticeable is that we have a previous top right occurring over here. Prices came down, make a correction, and went up sharply, and right now prices are kind of making a double bottom right over here, which is sitting just above the previous top. This is a very important indication, and this is also indication that the resistance which we had right over here is becoming support, and we have another support structure which is a double bottom forming as well. So I do believe that we are very close to the forming of a correction, and then hence prices are expected to jump and make a first impulse wave and followed by correction, another wave 3 followed by correction, wave 4, and the length and the fifth wave to end the price action in gold. The price action, the price target once again is an approximation and is a forecast. If you are interested in seeing the exact price target for gold and silver, then you can ping me, as I said in my private messages, when prices get closer to it. Once again, I also have some idea of where exactly the top, when exactly the top would happen. Once again, as the time gets closer, I can definitely help you towards in that direction. But right now, I'm bullish in gold and silver. We have a clear small time frame analysis for silver as well, and I believe that we can look into it. Let me first of all delete this so we can actually see what's happening. I've drawn an impulse wave, and I've drawn in 9 equal divisions for this move. Let me draw this, delete this as well. Okay, so this is I'm considering this is impulse wave and followed by a corrective wave. Within corrective wave, I have clearly labeled wave A followed by wave B and wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 structure. We are very close to the completion of this wave structure. However, on its own, I would rely for the prices to go up and cross wave 4. Once wave 4 top is crossed, we will have a confirmation that we have seen the bottom. So right now I'm considering this as wave 1 followed by wave 2, and within wave 2 we have a clear 3 wave structure, which is first wave is not clearly divisible followed by a corrective wave, and then we have wave C clearly divisible as a 5 wave structure. So a break of this area would be an idea that we can actually go bullish right now. Alright, so we would want to change the change of momentum before we can commit on the bullish side. I'm expecting that we are going to see a bullish price action on a smaller time frame as well for gold as well, and let's see how things go from there on. I just wanted to present my forecast that I'm expecting gold to create a top close to around 10,000 US dollar and silver to create a top around 500 US dollar per ounce before the end of 2026. Wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one, and bye bye.